Hello. Today, let's talk about your activity rings. The Apple Watch activity rings are a visual representation of our daily fitness goals for move, active calories, exercise, the brisk activity minutes, and the stand. Hours we can stand and move. The primary goal is to close all the three rings. By meeting our customized daily targets, we can track progress in the activity app on our watch or on our iPhone or on our iPad. And the rings offers a motivation throughout the personalized suggestion, sharing with friends and the words reaching milestones. Okay, here we are. The activity rings are in the fitness app available. You can see on the phone my activity rings. Yeah, oh yeah, it was really good today, isn't it? But Wednesday, that was not so good. Friday, good. Yeah, Saturday, okay. Today, Monday, okay. Yeah. But we have to close that rings, we will need this Apple Watch Series 11 and the other Apple Watches out there. Okay, let's have a look at this watch here. How we are see what ring we have right now. In this phase, it's not possible. So change the face maybe to another, or we are creating fast, or there is a one. You can see this is activity ring phase. You can see directly the different areas. The first ring, the red ring, is of course the big ring. Then the green ring, and there is a blue ring. The blue ring is the stand time. The green ring is the exercise, and the first ring is the red ring. This is the move, the active calorie ring. Okay, you see how we can fill up this. First, of course, stand. Do not stand 12 hours continuously. It's only so you have to get up. I think 5 minutes each hour. Then it will be counted, for example. The same, you have to start a workout. This is the workout. The exercises on one day should be, I think, 30 minutes or something else. Yeah. How we can do this? We use the exercise app. Yeah. Okay. Here, this is the exercise app. Okay. The fitness app. And then you can here choose between different workouts. And this you can start like kickboxing or something else. Get ready. 3, 2, 1, and it starts, and then it will count every minute of workout. It will count and add it to your rings. Okay, that's cool. So if you add this, the process will be a saved jobs done. And then, of course, the other thing is stand up. That you have to do by yourself. The stand up thing, but the active calories comes, of course, from workout. But it also comes from movement. You have to be active all day long. Okay, go to the app itself. You can see that app. And you can see now, if I use the digital Chrome to go down, for example, to see what's going on with the kilocalories today. I have 108% done. That means for me 865 of 800 kilocalories additional I burned. Really good. We can make a plus minus over there to change it for today, to change its schedule, for example, to change these calories to another level. Okay? For each day you can change this. This will be your goal, each day goal. Then the next step is we have exercise. Here the same, you can make a plus minus, change it for today, change its daily goals to other, 2 minutes, 30 minutes, 50 minutes, 1 hour and something else. Yeah. And of course there is the stand time. You see, change for today, daily goals change. You can change this to different stuff. Yeah. That's possible too, as you can see. I think 12 hours is a good thing, yeah? And what's more, today are now here in information. I did steps nearly 5,000. The distance I walked today was 3.6 kilometer. Flight climbed it 1. And what training? Today's see you now here. I was outdoor cycling and having high intensive interval trainings. And so you can see now the information about the training if you are here to see what's going on there with temperature, location, and something else. Okay, this is the summary of that. So you can see this app is not only your body, it shows you and kicks your ass a little bit. You can share this with friends, for example, make competitions with them. Or you can make here a summary, a weekly summary. Here you can see the move goal. So far we have beaten this week's daily move goal 5 times, daily's average, weekly total, the same with the goals of the exercise, the same with the goal of the stand time, and so on. And we can change and pause the rings. If we are sick or something else or ill, we can pause the rings, yeah? Then it will be here for today until Tuesday, until November and something, or custom. So we can make a pause of the rings. And on the right upper side, you will see here what it is going with your health. You see here Tuesday well above a little bit over the average and something else. And you can see here what we are like to view. Cycling only, the workouts only, or all day stuff. Yeah. And so you can reach your goals for every day. And this is really important because this brings you to a fitter and better life, of course. Of course, you can use your smartphone for this too. You can see we can track our trainings, our today trainings, for example. We can see here is the activity rings too. I can make to look what's going on, the same like on the small screen. And I see here that we can additionally make Fitness Plus, for example, to explore workouts, but this is, you have to pay for this. And of course you can see here workout, and you have Workout Buddy, which will then set your, of course, music and meters and so on. But you can also use a Workout Buddy. This is an artificial intelligence which gives you information while you are in workout, and what are your summaries, what are your goals, and so on. And this brings you to a much fitter life in combination with the sensors on your Apple Watch, of course, because we have a heart rate sensor, blood oxygen sensor on the back side, for example, and so on, to make a good tracking of it, and to make, of course, a good summary of it, which you helps you to close the rings, to make a better life for you. That's cool, that's easy, that's possible with your Apple Watch. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe me and give them a positive feedback, and I hope to see you again on my channel. And close your rings daily, please. Done.